Austromyrtus coppertops are small trees or shrubs native to the central east coast of Australia. Also known as the Midgen Berry, coppertops is hardy and visually striking, making him the perfect native hedge or feature shrub. He gets his name from the copper-tipped new growth, but that's not only his outstanding visual feature. This guy will produce small white flowers in spring and summer, as well as edible berries, attracting that wildlife to your backyard. He can handle coastal soils and likes a full sun to part shade spot. Give him a cut pack and watch that new coppery dense growth flourish.